ba si Mon?
Ako yung sweet.
Ako yung sweet. So, for a change ba, gusto mo maging sweet si Mon? Maiba naman.
Sa bahay na lang?
Sa bahay na lang. Hindi, pagdating.
Sa bahay na.
How do you often do it? Nagbaluan ka sige.
Hindi masyado na, no? Pa? The last time was what? Star Wars. Star Wars.
Tagal naman?
Hindi na masyado. I think it's Eclipse, no? Eclipse. Sine!
Sine!
Eclipse. New moon, that's new moon actually.
Good.
That's good.
Kung bibigyan ka ng isang kahilingan mo, may gusto ko bang baguhin sa sarili mo?
Siguro sana maging mas matipid ako.
Gastadora ba?
Hindi naman gastadora, but para wala naman palibas na. Ay, ay pumali. Ang mabaw naman yan.
Habang nagdadrive ako, kaya ito yung sulat ko. Masyadong marami. Yes or no, Bong? Is Bong easy to please?
Yes, very easy.
Pasaway ba si Bong ng bata?
Ako dati.
Masaway. Hindi masiba. Masaway.
Hindi. I don't think so.
Ilang taon na yung first kiss mo?
Ay.
Sagot na nga, walang explanation.
13.
Lasing ka nito?
Hindi.
Hindi. Did you ever try smoking or drinking a lot? Ano gano'n? When you were young?
Pop lang. Try ko lang para...
Jutes?
No. Very strong no.
Ano? Okay. Sino mahilig kumain? Si Mono ikaw? Oo?
Siya.
Kain talaga. Lamon. Walang tapon.
Wala ako na trabaho. Okay lang daw.
Bong, anong mahalagang parte ng buhay mo na nangyari sa'yo na hindi mo makakalimutan?
Actually, when I was 27 years old, somebody told me that my life will be just until, it's actually a fortune teller, pero she said that my life will be until 30 years old. So after I heard about it, you know that, Mami, di ba? I tried to nabalot yung feelings ko with sadness, scared ako.
Ano ba ito mo binayaran? Bayad mo? Hinulaan ka lang?
Binayaran ba natin yung Mami? Hindi, no? Hindi, but she just told me that yun nga, I will live until 30 years old. And so, each year of my life, talagang scared ako. 27 lang ako. Tapos, 30 years old, so sabi ko ganun. I really wanted to try to make it differently, be good, put other people first before myself. So parang nagkaroon ako ng self-realization and I wanted na maging good talaga. So year on year, every time mag-birthday ako, I said, shit, malapit lang, 29. And suddenly, nung 30 ako, I reached my 30s.
Sino mong the family ang nakakalam?
Si Mommy ko lang. And when I reached 30, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I think it's time to go. I mean, I'm ready. I prepared myself and I say, anytime, Lord, I am ready. Kasi I tried naman to be good. Pero, come to think of it, I was able to survive. My 30, when I got mga 30 years old ako. First day ko ng 30th ko, I was so happy. Shit, nakasampa ka ng 30th. So I was so happy talaga. And then, second day, uy, okay pa. Third day, until I didn't really notice no, lampas na yung, ano, hanggang nag-40 na ako ngayon, imagine. So
what do you learn about this? Gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Anong feeling?
siguro first is, huwag na kayo magpahulat. Kasi, it's really God who knows what His plan for you. And you should always trust what that plan is. And accept it. Kasi, He would not give you anything that you cannot handle. Yay, baby! Hi, baby! Hi, baby. Oh, baby.
Eh,
Mali pa yan lang.
so, Mambong, ulitin pa ba natin sa 50 to?
So, 50th.
Oo, itong celebration.
Siguro mga 10 years pa ako makaka-recover sa
Sa
financial.
pagdating ng 70, wag ka na mag-rent ng mga ng chairs. Nakakita lang kami. Libre na yung chairs.
Naka-wheelchair.
Naka-wheelchair na kami.
Oh.
So, anyways, celebrate, Mambo.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Kuya Boy.